Hello everyone! Welcome to the SmartAssistant channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the layout of options in the settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This feature allows you to customize your device so that your menu is organized according to your needs and preferences. You will speed up access to the most important options and make your phone even more useful. Get ready to discover an easy way to personalize your experience. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Galaxy Store on your device. Then, find the app called Good Lock and install it if it's not already installed. After you do that, open the Good Lock app. When you are in the app, tap on the Life Up tab in the bottom right corner to access various modules. Once you open that tab, scroll down slowly until you find the module called Registar, then tap the download icon on the right side. Once you do that, wait a few moments for the module to download and install. After the download is complete, the Registar module icon will be available in the Good Lock app. So scroll back to the top and you will see the Registar module. Tap on it to access various settings. When you open Registar, you will see an option called Customize Your Settings Home. Tap it to open it. Now you need to first enable this option and then open the Menu Order and Group Settings option. On this page, you can see all the options available in the settings of your Samsung Galaxy phone. To change the layout, simply tap and hold the arrow next to each option you want to move and drag it up or down to your desired position. After you finish moving, tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. Now, let's check if your selected layouts have been successfully saved. Open the settings now and check how the new options are organized. You should notice that they are now arranged as you set them. That would be all for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you very much for watching and see you very soon in my new video.